Okay, welcome back. It is day 206 of coding every single day. Today, I honestly, I went to the lab today and got literally almost nothing done. I was trying to work on character movement inside of Unity. Nothing. I mean, like literally nothing was working. For some reason, it's not like moving me where I'm looking. It's moving me like based on where I like spawned. Like if I spawned in like my character facing one way, I can only if I hit W, I'll only go that way. So I don't know. Hopefully I get that fixed tomorrow because I really want to start getting everything ready for data collection and ideally even training a model by the end of the week. That could be cool just for like first pool, you know, first round results. So we'll see. Um, That's for what I actually like did coding. It was a pretty simple leak code. It was just which mine ran really inefficiently, but it was basically just like it was return all the duplicates within an array of in O of n time. So I created a frequency counter, which I'm pretty sure is O of one, and then I just looped through everything, and if any value is two, I add it to the result array. So I mean, it passed. So and that's exactly how I do it in an interview. I probably should have checked like the most optimal solution, but um, yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow I'm going to another clinic for ASD. Um, see how that goes, and then I should have the rest of the week to work on my research. So that should be hope. I really hope I get to a point where I have like the data collected by the end of the week. And like I said, if I could train a model, at least some idea of how it's working, that'd be really nice. So, but yeah, above all else, I want to get that data collection done, or at least all formatted and ready to collect maybe over the weekend, and then train. So, but that's about it for today. Yeah, I really don't see these videos ever being much more than just leak codes over the summer. Maybe I should get a little more intense with the leak codes I'm doing, but I think they will just be leak codes to be honest. So so yeah, that is all I have. So I will see you tomorrow for day 207 for probably another leak code. Okay, take care. Bye.